SNAP stock analysis, should you buy or wait? I'm answering this in this short 1-minute video. I've invested tens of thousands of dollars in mentors and courses in 5 years of my time and finally figured out what's making me money and what's not. When I say this, I've made like 40,000 videos on this YouTube channel, 5 years taking me. So I've like literally seen it all. Even with Snap, like my idea was that if there's a double break, I'm looking to take things further down. The next day, so this is May 29th, 30th, all it actually happened was just broke down crazy. And we've been just filling in a gap. I mean, I'm not saying that this is a sell straight up, because please don't listen to me blindly and just go do your own diligence, but only if I see like a full candle close either above like 970 or $10 am I gonna look to take things further up. And I do think that this is just seasonal, so at least for now, for this season, it's just a bearish market to me, and that's all how it looks like for me, at least as of right now in this range. But if you want to learn how I'm making part of 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.